just hold it. Tapos igat lang ko para yung ay, naku, yung pito ko ulit. A few. Okay, oh, you wait for them to come. No, I don't think the animals are dirty. Oh, here, feed them first. Oh, they're not interested.
One's hungry. Go, go. Eat you.
They're eating na.
Eat.
Okay, that's enough. They're not going to it.
That is going. Eat. Eat. Carrots.
Ah, no, I think these turtles are already eating. So don't feed them carrots, they might bite your hand.
Maybe what if I just drop it?
Turtle,
What if I drop it?
you try, but just one piece.
Are they gonna
Eat it. Like it. Oh, it's eating it. He ate it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's enough, that's enough. Reserve some for the guinea pigs. Hello. You get along. Take a picture. more.
Haha. Okay. Yo, bro.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, done? Okay, come on. I'm scared. Why are you so scared? Hold lang, don't just go.
Oh, God.
Hold it para you can fit different habits. Yeah, safe, safe, yeah. Ayan. Ayan.
No, hold kita.
Oh.
Sit down ka dito.
How long?
Sige lang.
Actually, you're good. I want to go down.
No, 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 no. You're okay, you're okay.
I can hold it.
Oh, saan yung pa?
Good.
Kaya mo yan.
How long?
3 hours.
No, not today.
Oh.
How long is that?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So,
Oh, yan.
5 minutes.
2 minutes lang.
Yes. Naman, no?
I'm scared of heights. Please.
I will be walking with you.
No, make it stop.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Kaso umigaw. Safe. O, diba? Enjoy. Ayan yan eh.
I like it. Remember that guy?
Oh,
Walang sa-
yeah.
That's kind of fun.
Diba? Enjoy, diba? Go away. Hey. Thank you po, kuya.
Oh my God.
Seiji, hello baby. Can I see? Can I see? Wow! Ang galing mag-swing ah. Liam, try the swing. Okay, just sit there. Take it like this.
Now come here, phone.
Sage. Good job. Hello. Galing very brave Seiji. Wow, you look like a princess. Oh, picture. Mami pa picture. Smile. Very good na. Halika, halika, halika.
Now feed.
Good job. High five, high five, high five.
You want to feed cows?
So brave. Good job. How was it, Chase?
You want to feed cows?
Hindi, fun. Good job. Good job ka.
Ayun, baka mapunta yung hair niya sa ano.
Hello. Okay, okay, go. Hello.
Daddy, there's some spikes over there.
See the spikes. Check.
Open the spikes for me.
It's coming to me.
Daddy is about to bite me.
Yeah, I don't know why it's chasing me. I think it smells the food that I Let me give it balance.
That guy's good. He's good as well.
Yeah, that one's fast.
Mom can do it so well. Because they're doing it. I thought they were slow. Why are they fast?
Now that means that they're not smoking. Oh, he's trying to escape. No!
No,
No, he's trying to escape. No, escape. No, 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 no. No! Oh, move, 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 move. I'm just gonna lock it. I'm just gonna lock it.
So we're here at the bottom farm, and I rode the horseback riding. There's a video of that, diba, Daddy?
Yes.
I took a video.
Yes. You're very good at horseback riding.
So scared.
Yeah, we're good nga
It was fun.
What's fun? What else? What else did we do?
I don't know. Yeah, we fed the rabbits.
Rabbits. What else did you feed? There were also animals to feed here.
Horses.
Horses,
We fed the fish.
fish.
It was fun.
I think you fed the cows the most.
Should we go back to the cows?
Yeah, we can go back to the cow. It's just there.
We also fed the
Turtle.
turtles, yeah.
They have big turtles here. Diba? Turtles. And then the kois were also very big.
The what?
The koi fish.
What are koi fish?
The gold ones in the pond. They were very big also. What activity did you enjoy the most?
I think it's the feeding of the animals.
Still animal feeding.
Or I think it's the horseback riding.
The horseback riding is the most exciting for you. Hey, G. Liam. Wait lang, ate will check it, Liam. Ate will check it. How many ducks will you get? Okay na yan. Okay, that's enough na niyan.
Alright, congratulations!
Congratulations! Smile! Yan. How about say? She say.
Congratulations! Liana!
Winner! Liam, say hi.
You and Daddy there.
Yes, we're there. Open the gate. Liam, say hi. Liam, say hi. Yay! Sonic!
Hello, Sonic the Hedgehog!
Sonic yan, oh.
Hello, Sonic